We all know the importance of recycling. Some of us even know what we can and should put inside our recycling carts. But you know, there are some items that should never be put inside your cart. Why? Because they can't be recycled. We call those items the filthy five. And adding any of them to your recycling cart makes a real mess of curbside recycling. Our first offender, plastic bags. They clog the sorting equipment that separates recyclables, that slows the process, and can even injure employees who work in the recycling centers. Next up, shredded paper. Yes, it's good to recycle paper, but shredded paper is too small to be recycled, and it can't be processed through residential programs. Our next no-no, hangers, cords, and hoses. These tanglers can't be processed by recycling equipment. Best to just throw them in with your regular trash. We all like to order takeout from time to time, right? But takeout containers, cups, pizza boxes, foam containers, they can't be recycled and need to be trashed. And our last filthy five item that should be trashed, dirty diapers. Yes, they're made from plastic, but once they're used, they're contaminated and cannot be recycled. There's no market for any of the filthy five, and putting these in your recycle cart is expensive. If these items end up in your recycle bin, the county pays for them to be collected and processed, and then we pay again to transport them to the landfill for proper disposal. Help us avoid unnecessary costs and protect the environment by disposing of the filthy five in your trash can, not your recycling cart. For more information on recycling right in Fairfax County, visit this website.